Hi there, we're Bitreport, the app for smarter operations across fashion retail chains. We help multi-location retail businesses stay consistent, efficient, and fully aligned across every store, every day. Some chains are still using WhatsApp, calls, emails, or paper checklists to manage their frontline teams. Does this sound familiar to you? With Bitreport, your audits, tasks, and reported issues are all in one place and always up to date. Easily create custom forms with our intuitive form builder, whether it's for store audits, mystery shopper evaluations, or visual merchandising checks. On-site reporting is simple and powerful. While completing an audit, area managers can instantly log issues, write descriptions, assign corrective actions, and attach photos, all in real time. Once submitted, task lists are automatically shared with the frontline teams. Execution starts immediately, while area managers can monitor progress remotely without chasing updates. And when it comes to store presentation, you can manage that remotely too. The VM team can get a clear view of how each store looks without ever stepping inside. Easily assign visual merchandising tasks, one-time or recurring, and ask stores to upload photos of displays, windows, or promotional areas. Review is fast and easy because everything appears in one place. Approve what's on brand or reopen the task if something needs attention. Mark directly on the photo what needs to be fixed. And leave a quick note. It's a simple way to evaluate store execution, catch issues early, and keep your brand presentation consistent, always looking its best. Refocus your frontline teams on what really matters. Bitreport helps you keep every store aligned with your brand standards so nothing gets missed. Track performance and compare results across locations through real-time dashboards that visualize completion rates, audit scores, and open issues. Bitreport, one platform to standardize, track, and improve your operations. Ready to simplify operations? Book a demo today.